Okay, oil filter, pan, transmission. I have
You gotta go out.
oh,
Yeah, over there. Okay?
okay. Find the right size and then
Boom.
ooh, look at that.
Black
Yucky.
gold.
Black gold.
And it's still splashing on you. Oh my god, don't do that.
It's flashing. Those kind of pliers, you see, Trisha?
Wait.
Oh, okay. Well, I need muscles to do that.
No, you don't need muscle.
Oh, what then?
See this
Yeah,
one?
that's the one.
This
Yeah.
is the shit.
And you can buy that at any.
No, you gotta order.
No,
them.
you can. You gotta order it. I guess. Oh, look at all that.
Okay,
Oh,
so now.
so dirty. This is like 5,000 miles.
Now you
Oil
let
color.
the-
Okay.
You open all flip over that.
Then open it.
It's raining and splash all over the place
Oh.
because the oil is like water and it's raining.
And it's raining. Okay. It's okay.
Like not just oil kind of rain, it's raining like real kind. So,
Oh, it's dripping on this side too. How come?
I just told you.
Oh, ooh.
This is the oil filter.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, so you
Hold on.
slowly turn the oil
Yeah, you
filter
turn
until
it.
it comes off, but hold on to it so it doesn't splash in the pan. And if it splashes in the pan, you know where the oil's gonna go.
Oh, all
you.
over me. Okay.
Right, so
Hold
you
on to
hold
it.
the oil filter upright like
Upright
this,
like that. Okay.
and then you pour it in.
And then you pour it in the pan.
If it
Oh,
falls,
it's just like baking.
if it falls in this pan, you're gonna get drenched with oil.
Okay. This
Trust
is what I'm
me
gonna
from
bake. Look at
experience.
that. Chocolate.
And right
And this is my type of oil. OW16. They only sell it in this size, so I take like 5 quarts. And which is mine now? What number is my oil filter? Oh, 51394.
out of the box like this, inspect it, make sure that the ring here is good.
Okay.
Open one of these. Put a little splash of oil on the ring
Oh, why did you do that?
so the ring doesn't get stuck to the engine.
Oh,
And then
remember that. So the ring doesn't
bef-
stuck to the engine.
Before you put this back, you want to make sure that this old ring is not stuck on the engine. So
Okay.
you wipe it.
So you wipe it. There. Okay, make it tight. How tight do you need to make
As
it?
tight as hand tight as you can.
Hand tight.
No tool should be used. for
No
this.
tool should be used. Got it. And why is that? What's the rationale,
Because if you make it too
Mr.
tight,
Mechanic?
it could get stuck there and never come off. You just got oil in your phone.
Okay.
Okay, so now
Hold on. Okay, I got oil on my phone, but that's okay. It's on the case. Eee! It's on my pink case. Oh my gosh. Give me a rag.
Okay, now.
Okay.
Okay, so you see how the oil's still dripping out. You actually should wait till every
Yeah, Raja.
single drop is out.
Oh, wait till every single drop is out.
You should. You don't have to.
Okay.
Okay? So, for now, we're going to reinstall the drain plug.
Okay, put that back. It's such a messy
Okay.
job.
Put that back. Okay, wait now.
Okay, there you go. Release it.
Take that off.
Replenish.
And then get the funnel.
And then get the funnel, the one I showed earlier.
Boom, bang.
Boom, Kanani. Okay, it goes in there. Okay, put that.
All of that.
And like I said, this is my oil 5
Look at it.
quarts.
Look at it. It's like Wesson oil.
Listen, watch when it goes in.
Watch this. Look. Look how thin it is.
Yeah. It is thin. So, I'm gonna be cooking.
Look at that.
Cooking.
That's amazing. I don't know why the oil is so thin. Look. Like water. I mean, seriously, you probably could cook with this if it wouldn't kill you. Would cook the meat good. We're actually gonna put 3 quarts.
We're gonna put 3 quarts.
And then start up the car. Take them off of the ramps.
Okay.
Because I know the engine is not going to die with 3 quarts in it. Put 3 quarts. Take them off the ramps. And then turn off the engine and then check. Where are we at?
Okay, see ya.
Most of the tolerances is not tolerated for thicker oil. You put thicker oil, you can put higher oil pressure, gonna pop auto seals. You gotta put low oil.
And that's all she wrote. Oil change, less than $40 versus wherever you take your oil change. Aloha.